Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the device visible and removing obstacles. Turn the Bluetooth radio off, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on so the system clears cached states. Once done, put the forgotten device into its pairing mode. Follow its specific sequence so it advertises again. Make sure your phone or computer is actively scanning, open Bluetooth settings, and keep the screen awake. This quick reset often forces a fresh discovery and prevents the OS from silently skipping the device. You must remove all traces before repairing. In Bluetooth settings, tap the device and choose Forget or Remove so the system drops the old bond keys. If your platform exposes Bluetooth cache, clear it through app or system settings to avoid stale pair records. Once removed, reboot the host to flush drivers and restart the Bluetooth service. This step ensures the stack forgets previous data. After the restart, reopen Bluetooth and keep scanning so your target device can appear fresh in the list. You now select the freshly visible device and initiate pairing. Accept prompts and confirm any PIN or code so both sides trust each other. Once paired, immediately test the key function, play audio, send a file, or verify controls so you catch issues early. If pairing still fails, make sure both devices run current firmware, then perform an accessory reset per its manual. Often a factory reset on the accessory clears internal pairing blocks. If problems persist, try pairing with a second host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.